Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about analogy. Analogy is a topic of reasoning. It is of three kinds. First is number analogy, which deals with numbers. Second is alphabet or letter analogy, which generally deals with letters or alphabets from A to Z. And the third one is word analogy. It deals with words. Now, in today's video, we will cover only first one, that is number analogy. Now, the question arises in our mind is, what is analogy? Analogy means similarity or similar relationship. Means, in these type of questions, three terms will be given and we have to find the fourth term. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to find the relationship between first two given terms. This means the pair before this double colon, and then we have to apply that relationship in the third term to find this missing term, to find this fourth one. Okay, so in number analogies generally we see these type of relations, like the second number will be the square of the first number. It can be the cube, or the numbers can be square root of one another. It can be the cube root. The second number can be the multiple of first number, or the reverse can be true. The prime and its next prime, the relation can be of this type also. The numbers can be the reciprocal of one another. It can be reverse, or we can get the number by adding or subtracting a certain digit, etc. There are so many other types of relations also that we have to find between the given terms. Then only we will apply that relation in the third term to find this missing term. Okay. Now we will understand this number analogy by a few examples. So we are starting from very simpler problems. Later on we will move on to difficult one. Okay. So let's start. First one is 3:9. This is a symbol of ratio, or we can pronounce as is-to. This is double colon. 5:dash. Means in the same way. The meaning of this is these two numbers are related by the same way by these two numbers. Okay. But we know only one digit. We don't know this number. This we have to find out. So let's see the relation. We can see that 9 is a square of 3. 3 square is 9. So what will be 5 square? 5 square is 25. So the answer will be 25. Here 4 options are given. We will take on the correct one. Next is 2:8. Then double colon. 3:dash. Again, what will be? Here just write 25. Now in this, we have to find this one. Again, what is the relation between these two? We can see that 8 is cube of 2. If we multiply 2 3 times, 2 cube is 8. So, what will be 3 cube? 3 cube is 3 3s are 9 and 9 3s are 27. So, 27 is the D option. We will take on this one. Now come to the next one. 7, 14, 19 and dash. So, as we will see, we can see that 14 is a multiple of 7. If we multiply 7 by 2, we will get 14. But if we multiply 19 by 2, we will get 38. But let's check here. 38 is not an option here. So, there will be another relation. Now, if we will add 7 in 7, we will get 14. Now, if we will add 7 in 19, so we will get 26. So, 26 will be our correct option. Take on this one. Next is 10:21, double colon, 11:dash. Now, just see the numbers are increasing. So, it can be a relation of addition. So, what we will add in 10 to get 21? 10 plus 11. Now, if we will add 11 in this, 11 plus 11 is 22. But we can see that 22 is not an option here. So, we will check for the another relation. Now, how can we get 21? if we multiply 10 by 2 and we will add 1, we will get 21. 10 to the 20, 20 plus 1 is 21. Similarly, if we will multiply 11 by 2 and we will add 1, so what will we get? 11 to the 22. 22 plus 1 is 23. So 23 will be our correct option. Okay. Now come to the next one. 23 is to 5, double colon, 34 is to dash. Now see, the numbers are decreasing. So it can be a relation of subtraction. But let's see what number we will subtract from 23. If we will subtract 23 minus 5, we will get 18. But from 34 to get 18, we have to subtract at least 16. But it's not an option here. Okay, so we will check for the another type of relation. We can see that this is not a relation of square, this is not a relation of cube, these are not the prime numbers and its next prime, these are not the multiple of each other. So we will check for the another relation. Let's see. If we will add the digits given in 23, 2 plus 3 is 5. Similarly, if we will add 3 plus 4, we will get 7. So 7 will be our correct option. So let's write 7 here. Okay. In this one, we will write 23. I am writing 23 was our answer. And here 26 was our answer. In this 27. Now I have written the answers in every question. Now come to the sixth one. 42 is to 8, double colon, 34 is to dash. Again, let's see that the numbers are decreasing. But 42 minus 8, we will get 34. But here it's the number 34 itself. Okay, so there will be some another relation. Now let's check the relation. See, if we will multiply the digits 4 to the 8, we are getting 8. If we will multiply 3 and 4, 3 4 are 12. So 12 is an option? Yes. So 12 will be our correct answer here. Let's write 12. Next is 25 is to 125, related in the same way to the 36 is to dash. So it's very clear. By which number we will multiply 25 to get 125? If we multiply 25 by 5, we will get 125. Okay. Similarly, we will multiply 36 by 5. So let's multiply 5 6 is 30 and 5 is 15 plus 3 is 18. 180. So our answer will be 180. Okay. Here this number is multiple of first number. Now 2, 20, 12 and dash. It's very simple. If you multiply 2 by 10, we will get 20. 2 tens are 20. So 12 tens are 120. So answer will be 120. Now let's move on to the next question. That is the ninth one. 12 is to 30, related in the same way to 18 is to dash. So let's see the relation. What number we are adding? We are adding 18 in 12. 12 plus 18 is 30. Okay. But if we will add 18 in this, 18 plus 18 is 36. So check, 36 is not here. So it's not our correct answer. So we will check another option. How can we get 30? If we will multiply 12 by 2, 12 to the 24 plus 6, then we will get 30. 12 to the 24, 24 plus 6 is 30. Similarly, if we will multiply 18 by 2 and we will add the same number, that is 6, then what will we get? 18 to the 36. 36 plus 6 is 42. So our answer will be 42. Let's write 42 here. Now the next one is 64 is to 144, related in the same way, double colon, 256 is to dash. So here, by looking at these numbers, it's clear that these numbers are square of some numbers and we have to find out that what are those numbers. Now 64. 64 is a square of 8. Let's write 8 square is 64. We know this. 144, it is a square of 12. 12 square is 144. Next, 256. So here is a gap of 4. Okay, 8 plus 4 is 12. Now look at this. It is the square of 16. 16 square is 256. Now what will be our next digit? So it's very simple. 8 plus 4 is 12. So 16 plus 4 will be 20. So 20 square is 400. And 400 is the option given here. It's C option. So our answer will be 400. Okay. So these were very simpler questions. Now we will move on to some difficult one. Now our next question is 16 is to 68. 36 is to dash. Now let's see the relationship between these two. So we can see that we can get 68 by multiplying 16 by 4 and then by adding 4. So 16 multiplied by 4 plus 4. 16 4s are 64. 64 plus 4 is 68. So we are getting the second term 68 by multiplying the first term by 4 and then by adding 4. Okay. So 4 square is 16. So that's why we are multiplying by 4. Now here 36 is a square of 6. So now if we multiply 36 by 6 and if we add 6, then what will we get? 36 multiplied by 6 will be 6 is 36. 3 we will carry. 6 3 is 18 and 2 1 6 plus 6, that is 222. 222 is our C option. So this will be our correct option. So write 222 here. Now the next is 7, 45, 5 and dash. So 7, we can see that 45 is not a multiple of 7. We cannot get 45 by directly multiplying 7 by any number. Okay, so we have to multiply 7 by some number and then we have to add some number. So 7 6 are 42. 42 plus 3 is 45. 7 multiplied by 6 plus 3. 7 6 are 42. 42 plus 3 is 45. So by this way we are getting 45. So the similar method we will use in this. 5 multiplied by 6 plus 3. 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 3 is 33. So 33 will be our correct option. So write 33 here. Now come to the 13th question. 5 is to 30. 7 is to dash. So it's clear. 5 6 are 30. So 7 6 are 42. So let's check 42, but 42 is not an option here. So there will be some another relation. So find out what relation. 5 multiplied by 5 is 25, and if we will add 5 in 25 we can get 30. So let's check. 5 multiplied by 5 is 25 plus 5 is equal to 30. Similarly, if we will multiply 7 by 5, if we multiply 7 by 5 and we will add 5, so what will we get? 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 5 is 40. But 40 is not an option here. So this will not be our correct answer. So let's apply some another method. Here we are multiplying 5 by 5 and we are adding the same number. Similarly, if we will multiply 7 by 7 and we will add the same number, then only we will get our correct answer. 7 7s are 49. 49 plus 7 is 56. Now let's check. Yes, 56 is an option. So we will write 56 here. This will be our correct answer. Okay. So because we are multiplying 5 by the same number and we are adding the same number, similarly to the 7 we will multiply by the same number and we will add the same number. Okay. Now come to the next one. 9 is to 80, related to the same way 200 is to dash. Now we can see that 9 and 80 are somewhat related, but 81 is a square of 9, not 80. So how can we get 80? If if we do the square of 9, 9 square is 81. And if we subtract 1 from 8, then we can get the second term, that is 80. Okay, 9 square is 81 minus 1 is 80. That is the second term. Similarly, if we will do the square of this and we subtract 1, then what will we get? 100 square minus 1. So what will we get? 100 square is, it will be 10,000 minus 1. So it will be 9,999. So is this in the option? Yes, it is here. So we will write 9,999. Okay. Now come to the next one. 8, 72, 9 and dash. So in our first look we can see that 8 nines are 72. So 9 nines are will be 81. 81 is not here. So this type of relationship will not be here. There will be some another relation. Now how can we get 72? If we will add 1 in 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. And if we will multiply 9 by 8, then we can get 72. So let's check. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 multiplied by 8 is 72. Okay. Similarly, now we will add 1 in this. 9 plus 1 multiplied by 9. Okay. 8 plus 1 multiplied by 8 is 72. So 9 plus 1 multiplied by 9, what it will be? 9 plus 1 is 10. And 10 nines are 90. So answer will be 90 here. We will write 90. Okay. Because we are multiplying 8 by the same number. Similarly, we will add 1 and we will multiply it by the same number. Then we will get 90. So it will be our correct option. Next, 15 is to 2601. 23 is to dash. Now, if we will see, 2601 will not be multiple of 15. But it is square of some number. So this number will be nearby 50. Because we know that 50 square is 2500. And this number is greater than 50. So this will be nearby 50 only. So let's check the 51 square. What will be 51 square? 1 square is 1. 5 square is 25. Okay. Now we multiply these three. 5 multiplied by 5 is 5 to the 10. So 0 we will write, 1 we will carry. So it will be 2601. It is square of 51. Okay. So how can we get 51 here? If we will do the reverse of this, we can get 51. So similarly, if we will do reverse of this, we will get 32. So what will be 32 square? 32 square, it will be 32 multiplied by 32. 2 to the 4, 2 3 the 6, 3 to the 6 and 3 3 the 9. 4. So it will be 1024. So 1024 is given here, D option. Write 1024. So it's our correct answer. Okay. So we have to find out the relation between two given term, between the first pair, to find the missing term. And the same relationship we will apply in the given term to find out the missing term. Okay, so this is all about number analogy. There are different type of questions, different type of relations that only you will get through practice. Okay, so I hope this much you understood. So if you like this video, then please share it and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and also press the bell icon to get the notifications of my latest videos. See you in the next video with a new concept. Till then, goodbye, take care. Thanks for watching.